Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Snap layout to split your screen on Windows 11. This can be useful if you want to display multiple apps on the screen at the same time. For example, I have 4 apps: Chrome, Notepad, Edge and File Explorer. These apps are open but are being minimized, and I want to split my screen to accommodate them. To start, display your first app or window, let's say Notepad. Next, hover your mouse over the Maximize icon on the top right side of the Notepad window and select your preferred layout. As you can see, I can choose between 4 layouts. I will select the layout with the 4 windows. Next, select the section of the screen where you want to put Notepad, let's say the bottom right-hand side. Next, click the app that will sit on the top left-hand side, let's say File Explorer. After that, click the app that will sit on the top right-hand side, let's say YouTube. Finally, click on the last app to sit on the bottom left-hand side. A simple way to use Snap Layout to split your screen on Windows 11. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.